Hey everyone, welcome back to NIIT YouTube channel, and imagine being able to edit your video or podcast with just few clicks without dealing with complicated editing software that takes weeks to learn and hours to use. A few years ago, this idea felt impossible, but today tools like Descript have made it into reality. With Descript, you can literally edit your video the same way you edit a text document. No advanced editing skills required and no more confusing timeline. Just simple, clean editing. And in most cases, this easily cut down your editing time by more than half. So, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get started and how to turn your raw footage into polished video in just minutes. Alright, let's jump straight into it. When you open Descript for the first time, this is what you will see. This is your main project dashboard where all your videos came alive. Think of it like Descript's own storage system. Every video you upload stays here, so you don't even need to keep files saved locally on your computer. From here, you can create a new project by clicking New Project button or record directly inside Descript. You can record yourself using webcam and microphone, capture your screen for tutorials or presentation, or even do both at the same time. There is also a quick recording option here where you can instantly start recording your camera, mic or screen at the same time. You can even record with other people's, which make collaboration really smooth. On the left side, there is also a Learn Descript section. This includes short tutorials that explain different features inside this tool. That's really useful because Descript has a lot going on and this helps you understand everything at your own pace. Alright, now finally let's create a very first project. I will click here and choose a video project. Now if you already have a recorded video, all you have to do is drag and drop it into the project, just like this. As soon as you do that, Descript automatically transcribes the entire video. So now, instead of editing clips manually, you are editing text. And here's my video on the screen. On the left side, you can see the full transcript. Everything I said is already written out. This means I can edit my video exactly like a Word document. For example, if there is a part where I say something unnecessary, I just highlight that text and press delete. And just like that, that section is gone from the video. If you ever want to undo something, just press Ctrl or Command plus Z and it will revert instantly. And now finally, let me quickly explain the layout. At the bottom section, you will see the timeline. You can hide it or show it whenever you want. This timeline lets you see your full video from start to finish. The main tool you will use here are pretty simple. The selection tools. The selection tool let you move around and select different part of your video. Or you can also switch to blade tool and make manual cuts whenever you want. So if I click here and here, I can split the clip into multiple sections. Then I select just one part and delete it. That's simple. And there is also one slip tool which let you extend or adjust specific portions of a clip. And the hand tool just helps you move around the timeline without changing anything. You can also adjust playback speed, add markers and play or pause your own video from here. In the center, this is your preview window. This shows the final video you are working on. On the left is your transcript where all the text-based editing happens. And on the right, you will find all the extra features that make Descript special than everyone else. These sections include your project file, scene for layout and background, transitions, layers and recording options. You can also add elements like text, shapes, animated captions, waveforms and overlays. Adding captions is especially very easy. Just one click, choose a style and they are applied automatically. You can customize fonts, colors and highlight however you want. You also get access to stock videos, images and audio directly inside Descript. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, which is Underlord. This is Descript's built-in assistant that helps speed everything up. You can ask Underlord anything from removing any text or making the video smooth. It can do that instantly. One feature I use all the time is removing filler words. If you say anything like ha, or Descript can automatically find them. I just click the remove filler words and it highlights every single one. You can also skip some of them if you want, and then I can just click on remove all and they are gone from this video. You can actually see all the tiny cuts it made on the timeline. Another really useful feature is studio sound. With one click, Descript analyze your audio and improve it instantly. It makes your voice sound clearer and more professional, even if you record in a noisy environment. Next is the edit for clarity. This feature shortens your video by removing unnecessary pauses and repeated ideas. You can choose how aggressive you want the edit to be and then apply them in one go. There is also an option to shorten long silences. You just choose how long a pause needs to be and Descript automatically tightens it. Beyond that, there are tools for eye contact corrections, green screen, multicam editing, creating clips, translating videos, and even generate summary or description out of it. But those are just some extras. For most videos, these core tools are more than enough. Once your edit is done, adding caption takes seconds. You just choose a style, apply it, and customize it if needed. And finally, when everything looks good, and then from here, you can export the video, choose resolution, quality, and audio setting, and save it wherever you want. And that's it. That's how you can edit an entire video just by editing text. If this helped you understand how Descript works, I hope it saves you a lot of time on your next edit. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.